Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing only the clips you'll actually use. Import via File Import or drag straight into the library. Create events to group scenes, then add keywords and star ratings so you can find good takes fast. Next, create a new project with the correct resolution and frame rate. This avoids later rendering issues. Once organized, skim and mark in slash-out points on primary clips so the timeline assembly is focused and efficient. Now build the story. Drag your best marked clips into the timeline and let the magnetic timeline snap edits into place. Use the blade, trim, and roll tools to tighten pacing. Ripple deletes remove gaps instantly. Add B-roll on a higher layer and use transform to scale or reframe shots so subjects remain centered. Make sure to use compound clips for multi-clip sections and to audition transitions. This keeps edits non-destructive. Finish by color correcting exposure and white balance, then apply a LUT or creative grade for consistency across clips. Balance audio, normalize dialogue, keyframe trims for clarity, and use audio ducking under music. When ready, choose a share preset, use ProRes for archiving and H.264 for web delivery, then check the final timeline in full resolution. If exports show dropped frames or audio sync issues, restart Final Cut, render the timeline, and rerun the export. That typically fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.